Laban Lang, and it's more than just a phrase. It's a battle cry for every Filipino hustling through life. Every day feels like a war against traffic, deadlines, expectations, and sometimes even our own doubts. May MGA araw na pakiramdam mo ay talo ka na bago PA man magsimula at ang bigat ng mundo ay nasa balikat mo. Pero sa bawat pagsubok, sa bawat bagsak, mayroon tayong lakas na nagpapaalala sa atin kung bakit tayo nagsimula. It's that fire inside that says, kaya ko PA. Hindi PA ako tapos. So when the going gets tough, when your plans fall apart, and when you feel like giving up, just remember those two words, Laban Lang. It's a promise to yourself that no matter how many times you get knocked down, you'll always get back up. It's a reminder that every struggle is a lesson, and every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep fighting, keep pushing, and keep believing in yourself. Because at the end of the day, ang laban na ito ay para sa'yo, at ikaw lang ang makakapagpanalo nito.